Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vlog. Alright, so I'm just gonna start off the vlog here right now. I have few stuff to do. I'm wanting to come with me, so I'm just gonna vlog, and then on a love on my vlog, so I could just bring on it with me. So I want to go to the market, so I want to show you what I buy when I go to the market, and I have some stuff in the machine now, like curtain and stuff, because anytime I change curtain I keep them like in the basket. I always wash them same time, so I have some curtain what me did change and some stuff for me I wash out from now. It look like it's a go rain outside. The sky I come back to, like I can see the clouds now, but it look like it's a go rain because the sky dark. It dark. It not dark, like it not look dusty again, but it just look like when rain a go fall. So yeah, just wake up from morning and I edit. Me wake up and did I watch some video on the TV and put some stuff in the machine, so me I wait on them they will start get ready for go market. So yeah, can't tie out nothing in a no bag. Give me once you tie out your onion and your tomato and your sweet pepper in a bag, you not see me take it. I want to pick up my own stuff. But I see you can't buy it, because you have persons where like I running late and then just say, send me one bag of sweet pepper. When I run the joke, then I always make time when I go market, because I want to pick up good stuff. Because sometimes when you come home, it's onion soft and I can't waste my money. So I go and I pick up one and put in my bag. And the funniest thing when I pick up, if I want a pound, I can put a pound. Like I can put a pound of carrot, a pound of onion in a one bag and know say it's a pound. Yeah. I'm really all in. Look what excites me. So I'm going to plug it out. Guys, but not lie, my dad said me take off the ear there off of my head because it did my neck bump up. I just remember, so I'm going to spread the bed. So I'm going to spread the bed and then put the stuff them on the line and come back. I make my breakfast before I leave work because I want to buy okra to come back and cook yam, saltfish and okra. I don't know why I want to cook that from yesterday, but yeah. So I went to the supermarket already, so I have all of them stuff there, so I know for just go market. I want to beat the rain, so I can put them here on the line and come get ready for leave out. Alright guys, so excuse my sweaty face. I just finish hang out sheet and curtain. That's all I have to wash because I did change the curtain them, and as I said, I like put them down. So just finish hang out those. Sun hot bad. Today is a beautiful day. But now I go water my plants. I have to water my plants before I go in. Alright, this is strive. I like this. You know, my mommy give me the plant here a long time now. Them plants here, you can't find them anywhere. When you go like in the country area, them you always see these cute little plant. Oh, so cute. I love my plants. And it get this in the middle now. This are, I think I second time I see this come up in the middle. So this is the aloe vera plant. And it look like it's like a bloom now. Yeah. This nice. You know, remember the cactus one I did see? It did. There's something drop and broke. My vex. So what I do, I just sketch it in 3 different containers. And it'll strive. See it? It'll come up. It'll come up. So when it grow up, I'm gonna get a cuter container to put them in. Yeah. Alright, so I finally got bed. Finally. You see me? When me start doing something, it leads to a next thing and a next thing and a next thing. I just love to get stuff out of the way. I know. I don't know if it's a bad thing, but I know. I think I overwork myself because best believe I don't feel tired. Like, it's a part of me. Like, if I don't do it, then I feel uncomfortable. It's like me can't rest. I just need to get stuff out of the way, then I can have the entire day for myself to do anything, to read, to go through Instagram, to go live, anything at all. The way growing up with my mother, when you wake up at morning time, you can cool off. Go take your morning breeze if you want, but do your chores them from in the morning. Once you wake, na idle. Go in the kitchen, do what you do, spread your bed, all of that. So it's like me just grow with that in me. In a stay like this every day, but once there's something to do in the house, I just want to get it done, get it out of the way, and then we have the entire day for myself. I don't feel say I sit down in the house until 12 o'clock, bed not spread, house not sweep, nothing at all. If it did if you do. If nothing did if you do, then fine. Get up, enjoy your day. Some days you're gonna be lazy, but I don't know. I just feel like I need to get it out of the way. I just have to get it out of the way. And that's why you don't feel like make your house get too dirty. I don't know how some people do it when they make their house get super dirty. When they clean it, take them like a day. The only way me if clean and it takes so long if me I move up the house. Then it's gonna take so long. Guys, it no matter which toothpaste I buy, I have to go back to this. These are the best toothpaste ever. The charcoal one good too, but I know what's something about this. Something about this toothpaste good. Run out of soap. Babe, I run out of soap. I can't get one soap. Thanks.
So now soap this one?
No, that's a hand soap.
Every soap has soap.
Wait. Yeah, give me the one. You can get a kiss. Give me a kiss. Come give me a kiss.
When you come out.
Oh.
When you come out.
Come now.
When you come out.
Please. Thanks. Woo! Alright guys, so I'm ready to leave out. I'm gonna make sure I take up my market bag then because me always have to go up on the road and buy a bag. So today, I just remember I'm mega bring it. So go down in here. So I just bring 2 because I know the amount of stuff I'm mega buy. I bring 2 of them here. So I'm gonna bring 2 strong market bags. Yeah, that's what you do. I'm buy yam and potato. Put them in my handbag until I reach. I'm gonna leave out now, so I soon come back. When I come back, I'm gonna show you something my Jason carry one for me. It's so cute. But when I come back, because I run late. And now, too much to 10. or 2:09. And I want to come back because my first meal at 12 o'clock and I'm hungry. And Jason away upon me. So I'm soon come. But just remember something. I look at things that I never leave out. I can't leave my umbrella. I cannot. Can't leave my umbrella. Me would I get what the duck gets. The duck get corn. You know what I'm gonna come around here, so? Mighty God, it's dusty around this side. This will do. Oh God. Look up back around here. Alright, so I can't leave my umbrella because if you ever see the sky.
Ice cream.
You hear what you want? Ice cream? Drink. Go drink the Vigaton. When we make breakfast, make sure you drink it.
No, I don't be sure that 3 days I'm take the bigger than for me never tell you.
What you gonna make tea?
Yeah.
Alright, Miss Soon come give me kiss.
No, I will make that. You know, promise me say I
Yeah.
care about it.
Make I care about them too.
Yeah, we go so with the hand first.
Come, Pinky. What do I? Babe, come let me out. Alright guys, we reach home. Sun hot. When I say hot, it's hot. Hot. My God. I just glad let me get all of that out of the way. I couldn't do much recording because the place just full. The place full of bad. Somebody just want to buy and just get through and just come home, honestly. Alright, so buy one coconut, banana, sweet potato, because on the thing, them say sweet potato, renta yam, plantain, could take them too right because the place too hot, lime, carrot, because we want to make juice, callaloo, pak choy, cabbage, melon, pine, onion, scallion, thyme. Them never have purple thyme, that's why I buy that. Pepper, them pepper here hot. Okra, never get no okra market, so I did have to go in a supermarket because I really need okra. Tomato, I take some cherry tomato too because I go make my salad and I need that because it's on my meal plan. Sweet pepper, well sweet pepper, but them are going to be my snack, like my snack pan. Cucumber, papaya, cane, apple, plum, and I bought some garlic. And that's it. And my coconut. I didn't want to make some drops, but I changed my mind because drops not healthy right now for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shred it and put it in the fridge. Because I have a plan. I'm going to shred it, put it in the fridge, and then sprinkle it because I'm going to start make, what's the name? Acai bowl. Yeah, that bowl there. I buy some stuff for that. I buy frozen fruits already in the fridge because from I come out here, first thing I put in the fridge. So yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm proud of myself, you see. And that's how my money start. Because yes, when I go supermarket, I only pick up like rice, flour, because you know I live with Jason, and not because I'm on a diet it means say me I go give him all of them stuff there. No, me have to give him few meals them when I love as well. But when I go supermarket, I just buy like bread, bun, sugar, oil, and them stuff there, and then most of my money spent on market, like most of my money. Yeah, me I go on little guys who remember them plum here. And I never remember for telling us somebody buy some June plum to make June plum juice. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm finish wash up all of these. I put them for drain. So as soon as them finish drain, I'm gonna put them in the fridge and I do all of this. This is my snack, like finish, me done with Lay's, done with Pepper Bigfoot, me done with all of them stuff there. So what I did was to just go ahead, wash them and cut them up. So this is the papaya, the apple. Guys, the apple them sweet. The melon, sweet plus tax. The cane, today I'm a lucky day. You hear? Today is my lucky day. The papaya nice. Make it taste sweeter papaya than this, but it's sweet. Today is just my lucky day. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge. And whenever I feel hungry, I just snack on these. And thanks to my subscriber for buying me them cover this year. They came in so handy. The food is ready. I'm gonna eat now because me hungry bad. So I soon come back. Oh, the oat's hot. Look at my shirt. And I have my lemon water. Guys, one step closer to a healthier life. Trust me. So this is all I need. Ooh. I'm not a big fan of sawfish, so that's why you don't see too much eating on my plate. I really love sawfish after that. So yeah, it tastes good. I'm gonna use no seasoning, no Maggi. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end off the vlog here right here. So I'm super tired. I lay down on the ground. I'm gonna tell you I fell asleep about 10 times. So me and Jason go just lay down, relax until we just take a little nap. This vlog not have much in it, but you know, this is what I do. Like, if you're on a weight loss journey, then let us do this together. But just take my time and I try to change out certain stuff. So I not master it yet. So when you see me slip up, please don't attack me. Just comment nicely and say, Andrea, no, you're not supposed to be doing that. Don't tell me say, no, you say. Please don't attack me. Just take on the time with me. Guys, and the other day when I did the exercise, the reason why I did cut out so much of the clips out of the video there are because I don't know what my honest say. Like when you exercise, sometimes you go in some position and may tell you you look weird as hell. It's not a pretty sight, but you know you have to do what you have to do for, you know, you have to just do what you have to do. It's not like I'm ashamed, but sometimes you do some stuff, man, and you're looking at the phone and you're like, no man, this look ridiculous, man. Me fix up my body better. And then you realize, listen, there's no other way. There's no better way. If you exercise, miss, just exercise. You know what? I just gonna record that full workout video and not even care. But me not lie, guys. When you can't admit it. When you not exercising, y'all do some stuff. You say, I look like a cheese bread. And I go lie. I said, no girl, that don't look nice. It look like cheese bread. And you have some other time when you exercise, you see you just shape nice, and your bottom just and you're like, yeah, exercise at work. Well, yeah, you know, I don't know everything. So that in the last vlog, I really don't know everything. It's helped me to help you. You come over here and whatever you know, you share it, and whatever I know, I share it. Really and truly, the funny and now I mean, really and truly, what I do is to research anything that I don't know. I research it. You know, Google, not lie. It will freak you out, but it really and truly not lie. So whatever I don't know, I just research it. So if you're there and you did want to hear something from me, you know, hear it, and you really want to know, just go up on Google and search for it, because as I said, I don't know everything. With this whole cold water thing, people did I say it not good. That's how me did believe. That's how me still believe say it not good. But you have other persons who message me like, no, Angel, don't make nobody tell you that cold water not do nothing to you and your body. Da 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 da. And start to explain, but you know, me still I try to cut it out. I mean, it's hard because I really love cold water. Room temperature water is just not my thing. It don't quench my thirst, none at all. But you know, I just try. Well, this video is just to basically encourage you. No matter how much weight you want to lose, as me say, if you're a person that loves to exercise, every day you get up and you feel motivated and you just want to exercise, then go ahead and do it. But if you're somebody who can't really manage, or if you do it today, you know, if you do it tomorrow or whatever, just try to work on the diet. You know, just try to start to cut out some of this stuff. Research like, alright, what me can cut out for help with this weight, since I'm not always motivated to exercise, you know. Me really, I use lime in my juice. I am not a milk fan. Any juice at all I give me, whether it's carrot, soursop, June plum, anything at all, just don't put any milk in there. So yeah, bye guys.